Hi guys, it's Frankie from Frankie Tag. Good to see you guys again, back here with a top-down format, and I want to bring to you guys my unboxing and impressions of the Mi Smart Band 6 NFC. That's right guys, Xiaomi sent this over to me about a couple weeks ago actually, and I haven't opened this up. Why? Because I have a Mi Smart Band 6, but I realized actually that this version of the Smart Band 6 includes for the first time NFC, but also it includes Alexa built-in capabilities. And you know, I've been wearing regular mechanical watches on my wrist for the past couple of months, getting into the watch world, but I've also been wearing my Apple Watch on my right-hand wrist for quite a while. And I've wondered to myself, could there be a device that I could switch the Apple Watch out for that's a little bit more unassuming and will allow me to continue to wear a watch on my left wrist and an activity and sleep tracker on the right? And basically, folks, we have the same specs and dimensions as the original Mi Smart Band 6, including a 1.56 AMOLED display, blood oxygen tracking, stress monitoring, but of course now you have NFC included, which will mean you'll be able to use this for Google payments as well. So let's not waste any more time and unbox this bad boy. All right, tearing off the sticker. Here we go. And taking this thing out, let's have a look. So there, of course, is the Mi Smart Band 6 NFC. Let's have a look. Hoo-hoo, there we go. A brand new Mi Smart Band 6. And I can tell you my Mi Smart Band 6 that I've had for quite a few months already is definitely getting scratched up. So it's nice to have a shiny brand new Smart Band 6 NFC to use. And let's see what else we have. We have the charging cable, and this should be the same charging cable. There we go, with the two prongs and USB-A on the other side. And we have our instruction manual in multiple languages for the Mi Smart Band 6 NFC. And here you see the Mi Smart Band 6 next to the NFC. And let's see if you notice any differences whatsoever. And look at that. They've kind of spruced up the button that pins in little gold chamfered edge next to the standard version. But the rest of it pretty much looks the same, with all the trackers, all the sensors in the same spot. So now it's time for me to go ahead and set this up, and let's see if I can actually hook this up to the Amazon Echo here in the room and test out the capabilities. Let's have a look. All right, folks, so I'm back now after setting up my brand new Mi Smart Band 6 NFC with my Mi 11 Ultra, and I think it's time to go ahead and take off this Apple Watch and go and try on the Mi Smart Band 6, which I've been playing around with for the past couple of hours. And let me tell you guys, it's very nice to have a Mi Smart Band 6 back on my wrist, just remembering how sleek and small a device this is. I think it will complement me wearing my watch really well. And of course, the band is super comfortable, and you have that nice gold accent here on the edge. And all the features of this are the same from the Smart Band 6. Of course, you have NFC, which will allow for payments. But the thing I really want to highlight for you guys here is Amazon Alexa support. And you can see you're ready with Alexa. So what I want to do right now is bring over this lamp. And this lamp, you can see right here, is one of my Xiaomi lamps. And it is pretty much set up with Alexa as the bedroom light in our home. So what I want to do right now is show you guys how with Alexa support you can actually manage your home devices, send messages, and use Alexa smart home products with the Mi Smart Band 6. So we're going to go to settings like so, and then we're going to go to Amazon Alexa. There you see it, and you see it says connecting, turn off bedroom. Boom. That is so cool. Now it does pull up this server is busy error message, but let's try one more time. Connecting, Alexa, turn on bedroom. There you go. And this is so cool because I do have a lot of Alexa lights and smart home products in the house. So I think it's a great feature to be able to use your Smart Band 6 with your Alexa products and be able to have them fully integrated with the experience. Let's go ahead and try one more time. Alexa, turn bedroom to the color red. Boom. So cool. Try again. Turn bedroom to the color blue. And there you go, guys. That is a very nifty feature, and if you are an Alexa household and you wanted to have a cheap, easy way to control all your smart home products on the go, I think this Mi Smart Band 6 NFC is really delivering the goods here for an integrated Alexa experience, and ultimately for the price, you know that this is an amazing product, and let's just say you're not going to find any other smart band that has more features and just offers more capabilities for the price. So that's it, guys, for my quick impressions of the Mi Smart Band 6 NFC. I can't wait to continue to test it out here on the channel. If you haven't seen my full review of the Mi Smart Band 6, everything applies for this device, a terrific wearable from Xiaomi. But hit me up in the comments. What are your thoughts on this Mi Smart Band 6 NFC? And do you think that this Alexa integration is as big a deal as I do? Hit me up in the comments. I'd love to hear about it. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, give me that thumbs up. And if you love the content of Frankie Tech, subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for future updates. And so guess what, folks? While I was pairing up my Smart Band 6 NFC to my Mi 11 Ultra, I got a software update. And it's none other than MIUI 12.5, the Enhanced Edition. Stay tuned, folks. I will be doing my full impressions of MIUI 12.5 Enhanced in a video coming tomorrow. Stay tuned. So that's it, and this is where I leave you by saying, this is Frankie Tech signing off. Have a good one. Welcome back to my wrist, Mi Smart Band 6. A terrific combination indeed.